What's up, guys? We are up in Grass Valley, California. Actually, we've got a couple of West Coast River Outlaws people here, and I'm actually working the scuba shop. So if you guys didn't know, we also own a scuba shop called Go Travel Scuba. We sponsor a lot of drag boats and stuff in Bakersfield, actually, with the NJBA and some other stuff. So we're up here. We've got people like Joe and Tina Beers. We've got Jimmy Hendricks, and actually he brought his flat bottom, runner bottom boat, and we're gonna try and get this thing fired up today. It doesn't need a lot, but we've got guys, we've got tools, and we're gonna see if we can't make it make noise.
It's cracking lacking here, and you know, just get through the mojo.
Yeah, that's right. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna start working on this thing, and we're gonna try and button it up to see if we can't get it running and possibly water test tomorrow. So if the motor blows up,
it's not my fault. But I saw another guy working on it too.
We are so close. So close. Once the valves are lashed, we got to put plugs in, plug wires. Yep. Oh, valves to lash. Valve lashes? Valve lashes. Did I say valve to lash?
Valve, lash valve, whatever you want to call it.
We got to make those things right. That's that stuff. That's all I care about.
That's right. Ooh, oh, there you go. Now good.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, we are pretty much there. They're hooking up the timing light, the wing is on. We missed a wire, a ground wire for the fuel pump, so that's fixed. And I think we're just about ready to see what happens. So we're gonna prime the motor, and then I'm gonna hook up the coil and give her ignition and see what happens.
32 top gets in before.
I don't think that's what you run on that.
No, no. So we'll start at 28 then. Okay, we want oil pressure, right? We all clear?
Oh, coil was not connected. You want that off still, right?
Yeah. But I definitely want,
I wonder once it fires,
turn ignition on. Okay, we have ignition. We're probably gonna need fuel.
Oh yeah, it does right there.
All clear?
Yep.
That's right. That's right.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
That's right. Nice job.
Yeah.
Nice job, baby.
Yeah.
Nice job.
West Coast Outlaws, baby!
Fuck yeah.
Thanks for letting me piss on my boat.
Yeah, man.
I like it.
Wow.
Awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice job.
Good job. Thank you.
There we go. Yep. All right, so we're locked and loaded, mission accomplished. We're gonna put her to bed, and tomorrow we're gonna end up at Rollins Lake with a group that does a Thunder Thursdays deal out there during summer. But obviously tomorrow's not Sunday. I'm sorry, tomorrow's Sunday, not Thursday. But either way, we're gonna go test this thing, check timing one more time, a couple of other things. We got an oil pressure gauge that we need to get fixed. It's pegged at 100, and that's obviously not correct. Something's wired wrong. But yeah, mission accomplished. Had all the homies here, super stoked. I got to merge both companies and do two things that I loved, and I'm just so fucking stoked about that. So we'll see you guys at the lake tomorrow.
Rollins Lake here in California. It's beautiful out here. Look at this shit.
Well, thanks to my good buddy Dave.
Average buddy Dave.
Whatever. We were able to get this boat back to shore. You guys missed all of it, but after the test run, we came back, and my buddy Will lost his steering in his boat. And so he hooked a hard left, and he went up onto shore, and before they could do anything about it, the ass end of this was underwater. It's a Sanger drag hydro, right? So they're really low into the water, and where he was at was really not a good spot. So we were able to get it over here by our good, awesome buddy Dave with his wakeboard boat, and now we're waiting for Will and his uncle to get over here with the keys so that we can get this thing on the trailer.